So the whole problem with engaging in sense gratification is that one will get entangled to this material world and one cannot get liberated from the cycle of birth and death. Therefore, Chanakya Pandit also says, Ayushah kshana ekopi nalabhya swarna kotibhi nachen nirarthakam nitihi kachahanis tato adhika. Chanakya Pandit says that Ayushah kshana ekopi nalabhya swarna kotibhi. Time is of utmost importance. The most valuable asset in one's life is time. It is so valuable, swarna kotibhi. Even if you pay 1 billion gold coins, if you pay money in terms of 1 billion gold coins, still you cannot, with that 1 billion gold coins also, you cannot buy even 1 second of time, what has passed by. Once 1 second has passed, even if you pay billions of gold coins, still you cannot get back that 1 second which has been lost. Nachen nirarthakam nitihi. Therefore, if somebody spends his time, he whiles away his time fruitlessly. He uses his time for some futile endeavor, for some activity which is not going to yield him eternal benefit, then kachahanis tato adhika. What greater loss can there be than this? Generally, we don't value time. And therefore, we engage in so many frivolous activities. Leisure time, time pass, pastime, our pastimes are all time pass. So, this time pass and this leisure time, going to the movie, going on some vacation, engaging in some activity other than devotional service. In fact, any activity other than engaging in spiritual activity is nirarthakam nitihi. It is a wasted time. That time is engaged in uselessly. We have frittered away that valuable, most valuable asset of ours, which is time, in an activity which is not going to yield any permanent benefit to me. Therefore, what can be a greater loss than this? So then, if my time is not meant for earning money, like Prahlad Maharaj has said, if it is not meant for taking care of my elderly parents, if it is not meant for engaging in family life, taking care of my children, securing their future, educating them, taking care of their health, taking care of the family, if my time is not meant for all this, then what should I be doing? Chanakya Pandit says, what one should be doing? He says, Tyaja durjana samsargam bhaja sadhu samagamam kuru punyam mahoratram tyaja durjana samsargam. One should give up the association of worldly minded people. Durjana means people who have no taste for spiritual life. Tyaja durjana samsargam bhaja sadhu samagamam. On the other hand, one should actively associate with devotees of the Lord. Kuru punyam ahoratram, and day and night one should engage in pious activities. Why? Because by engaging in pious activities, one will situate oneself in Sattva Guna, and that will create a favorable environment for us to execute devotional service to Krishna. And this, Chanakya Pandit says, this is the way one has to utilize one's valuable time.